ஐயோ எங்கே தூக்கி வைக்கணுமா இங்கே எங்கே ஐயோ குற்ற ஸ்டேஜே இதுக்கு எங்கே இருக்கு ஓ இது மிஸ் ஆச்சுன்னா சைலன்சர் கடி ஓ பேக் பம் பாதி வெளியில் சரி பரவாயில்ல விடு உங்களை பிடிச்சிக்கிறேன் என்ன இது பிரிட்ஜ் பேர் டூரிஸ்ட் பீப்புள் கேன் சி ஃப்ரம் டவுன் சைடா கன்னடாவில் ஏதோ எழுதியிருக்குது தெரியாது ஓகே இது ஆன் ஆகிடுச்சா ஆன் ஆகிருக்குது நீங்கள் அங்கே போயிட்டோம் இல்லைன்னா நடந்துட்டு எடுத்துட்டா பெஸ்ட் இல்லையா நடக்கு நான் வேணாம் இறங்குறேன் இருங்க चल के लेंगे हाँ नहीं बना वंडी वंडी हाँ चलो ऐसे अच्छा आएगा वीडियो ये इधर हेलमेट में ही ले लेता हूँ मैं अभी पूरा उतारने को क्यों मैं है ओ ब्यूटीफुल ब्रिज नाम क्या है इसका नाम क्या था हाँ வரும்போது அப்படியே போயிட்டு ரிட்டர்ன் வாங்க नाम क्या बोला था उन लोग ब्रिज का ಏನೋ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ so there's a boating here beautiful Sharavathi river over bridge beautiful view इसमें तो बॉक्स आ जाएगा आराम से बॉक्स आ जाएगा वो लोग चलने नहीं होता बोल के नहीं छोड़ रहे वो लोग so they didn't allow my Himalayan onto this otherwise other bikes can be taken because it's very narrow bridge maybe that's why they have not allowed but it's a beautiful across the river bridge hanging bridge oh ये कैसे बनेगा अभी थैंक यू लाने के बाद प्रॉब्लम आएगा so it's beautiful you can see the Sharavathi river this is stay wire bridge stay wire bridge across Sharavathi river हाँ वरा वरा मुन्नाडी वरा थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ उसका वीडियो ले लेता हूँ ये नंबर आ रहा है ना इसमें
हाँ नंबर
आ रहा है ना हाँ
3 minutes 11 seconds
और रेड लाइट है ना उधर
हाँ रेड लाइट पड़ता है
हाँ वांग yes so this is money coming over the on the bridge hanging bridge stay wire bridge okay last வரைக்கும் எடுக்கிற போயினே இருக்கும் போயிட்டு நடந்து வாங்க அப்படியா சரி ஓகே நாங்கள் போயிட்டு வரோம் so we are just walking across this bridge looks really beautiful it's all anchored across steel wire cables with nuts and bolts you can see them few are rusted needs maintenance I think they do this maintenance annually but otherwise you can see aluminum maybe the sheets below and then you have steel bars steel wire oh they have put some lights also here in between you can see buffaloes grazing there across the river so because Himalayans pannier boxes would touch on this I see a bike coming smaller bikes are allowed here Himalayan if I had removed my panniers I think they would have allowed me but then I didn't want to do all that exercise and waste time so I thought maybe just walk over the bridge and capture some scenic views. Oh, excellent, beautiful. You can see how beautiful, crystal clear water, beautiful banks of the river. So this is the other bank. So again you can find a slope here, and then there's a white topping, cement white topping to get on to the other side of the river. There's a board put up there. Let me walk across and I will show you that also. There's a plantation, arcanite plantation. You can see besides, see arcanite on the plantation, on the tree there on top. So this is the notice board here. The bit B is your some maintenance rules and regulations are mentioned. Coastal Development Authority, Mangaluru, Zilla Nirmiti Kendra, Karwara. Okay, so this is basically Karwara. That's what is written on this notice board. So 300% at a time. The two-wheelers are permitted because it's a narrow bridge. So there's another board here in Canada. It was, I think, inaugurated on 7th November 2015. So I'll be walking back from the other side to the place where we have parked our bikes. So let's have an extensive view. Bikes are still coming. So you can see these are the two big pillars on each side of the river, and rest remaining is all stay wide. Two big pillars. Across that it has been designed. See, these are the two pillars on one side, other two pillars on the other side. This is the extension of the river. You can see how it's merging there, flowing zigzag. You have beautiful locations in India. You need to explore. All these you can do with your bikes much better than traveling in a car. you can explore much more places which are not accessible on road by car. So your bikes, because it's an adventure bike, it will take all the can take all the terrains, all off-roading terrains, and you can have a glimpse of beautiful nature. So I am walking back to the other side. So this is the view. Bike still passing. People taking pics. So this is the other two pillars connected in between by 5 beams till the top. 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's just stay wired. Nice and beautiful place. So boating you can see down. Those who want to do boating can go there. But,